ExTox Gas Measuring Systems. ET-1D Resetting Alarms. Hello, on this control unit I will show you how to assess and reset alarms. First, I will trigger Alarm 1. The alarm LED and the yellow light indicate that Alarm 1 is triggered. Alarm 1 cannot be reset since the alarm condition is still pending. Even if I press Quit, you can see that the alarm doesn't disappear. The gas level needs to fall below the alarm level and then Alarm 1 will disappear by itself. It's different when Alarm 2 is triggered as well. I will simulate this now. Now I have two alarms, the first and the second one. Alarm 1 is represented by the yellow flashing light, and the red light represents the horn. If the horn is put on the corresponding relay, you can reset it by pressing F3. The noise has stopped. To reset the second alarm, the gas level needs to fall below the alarm level. I will simulate this now. Now the gas level is below the alarm level and Alarm 1 disappeared on its own. As Alarm 2 is self-holding, it needs to be reset by pressing F2. Thanks for watching. ExTox Gas Measuring Systems.